Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be bleaching my hair today, platinum blonde. It's just time to do some beauty maintenance, going out of town next week, want to look and feel my best as per. But yeah, it's important to keep up with yourself because when you're feeling a little down, but you look good as fuck, it definitely is a booster. So watch me from beginning to end to, I'm already a bad bitch, but to really, you know, be the bad bitch. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Apogee sent me some of their products to try out. Thank you guys for sending me this package. So I'll be incorporating that with me bleaching my hair today. So today for bleach, I will be using the Kinks Coils. Yeah. This is their up to level 9 bleach powder. About a month and a half ago, I tried them for the first time and I got a lot of compliments on my hair, and a lot of people that know me were like, oh, I feel like your hair is a little bit more icy, or it's a little bit more platinum. And I really liked how it looked. So today I won't be cutting my hair. I'm trying to grow my hair out. I know it's gonna be a lot of mixed reviews of people saying like, oh, you should cut it because the bleach is gonna come off. Whatever comes off, comes off. What stays is what stays. But not cutting my hair, just gonna like clean up my edges a little bit. But yeah, let's get into it. I always start off by combing out my hair. Last night I added some oil to my scalp and a little bit of sulfur-8 grease because I do have a dry scalp and it was a little itchy. But I'm just combing everything out. I'm gonna go in with a fine pick after this, but just using a wide tooth comb to break up my curls, which I've actually been loving lately. I wasn't really paying attention to them. I was so focused with, you know, washing my hair and putting the foam styler and brushing it down, wearing my waves, which I absolutely love to do. Waves do be on swim, thank you. But yeah, one day I was like, let me just put a whole bunch of leave-in conditioner. My curls curled up and it was looking cute. And I've been liking it. But it's time for mama to bleach. Okay, let's get the back. Ooh, it's a little nappy back there. Okay. Oof. Going in with the pick. Oh. All right. I'm gonna be going in with the keratin and green tea reconstructorizer. And I'm gonna go in with some petroleum jelly. I'm gonna put this on my forehead, the nape of my neck, my ears, my hairline, certain areas on my scalp because it's a little bit more sensitive. I don't have that much left. Okay, now it's finally time to go in with the Kinks and Coils. This is the up to level 9 lift, like I told you guys already. I'm gonna go in with 2 scoops of the bleaching powder, and then I'm gonna go in with 20 volume developer and just get it to the consistency I like. I like it a little bit more, it's still thick but on the runnier side so I can manipulate it better in my hair, but do it to your liking. Something that I didn't mention last time with this powder is that I like that the smell isn't that intense compared to other bleaching powders that I've used, like the Claro Professional, which I love. But I love that this was not an intense, like, oh my God, you know, like when the chemicals take you aback. 1 scoop, 2 scoops. And we're going in with the 20 Developer by Claro Professionals. All of these products, by the way, can be found on my Amazon storefront under the, I think it's Bald Baddie folder that I made. Here I can smell it, but it's nothing like, oh my God, it's taking me out. Mix this around. Also, I'm gonna throw in a smidge of 30 volume developer. Listen, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit for a little bit of extra lift. A little too thick for me, so I need some more developer. I'm gonna go in with 20. All right, it's time to strap up. It's so funny, I work from home now, but the amount of gloves I used to go through at work all the time is crazy. Okay, time to apply this. This is still thick, but it's enough. I'm okay with it, the consistency. Actually, do I want to put a little bit more? I'm so ashamed at how dirty this mirror is. It's not even funny. Let's start from the bike. All of the dye has been applied to my head. It took me like a little bit over 5 minutes to get everything saturated and on, but it's feeling good. It is tingling a little bit, but it's all good. It's nothing I cannot handle because you already know I've been burnt bad before. I usually have to bleach my hair twice to achieve platinum blonde. So I might have to do a round 2 after this when I wash it out, but it's all good. I'm gonna put this foil cap on. I usually used to sit underneath the dryer for a little hot minute, but I know a lot of y'all gonna come in here and police me. Oh, you don't do that, especially with the foil cap. At ease. But I probably will just sit under there for like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending, or I might just do that when I do round 2 of bleaching. Okay, so I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes. That's what I do. I know that it takes bleach 30 minutes to lift. I'm just setting mine on there for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna wash out my hair with the Kinks and Coils shampoo and conditioner. I'll mix it with the shimmer lights to lather it up and have that purple in it instead of just using this, because it gets pretty concentrated and I still need that moisture in my hair. So I like to mix mine. BRB. So it's been about 45 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes that I've had this on my head. I only sat under the dryer for like 3 minutes, nothing too crazy. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. But this is what it's looking like. You can see the color lifted on the top, or unless that's from the cap, I don't know. But nonetheless, this is how it is. Too bad, actually. One thing I can say about this go around is that my scalp doesn't feel as sensitive or is in pain. I don't feel like I got any burns. It's feeling pretty good. Whew. All right. Yeah, yellow roots. This is crazy. Let me go to the light.
The platinum that was already platinum took extremely well, of course. However, my roots were dark. So, what is this? Is this blood? No. So I'm gonna go back in because my roots didn't really take, which I knew was gonna happen. But you gotta start somewhere. I'm not even gonna condition my hair or anything. I'm gonna just go in and throw some more bleach in it. So round 2, I'm gonna put the Vaseline on the perimeter of my face. Gonna go in with some more bleach. I'm gonna do probably maybe not 2 scoops, maybe a scoop and a half, and I'm gonna mix it with 20 and 30 developer. Do round 2, let it sit for 45 minutes. Yes, this is what the fuck I do. Please don't police me. It's my scalp, and it's what I do. And yeah, BRB.
Okay, so this is how my hair is looking after 2 sessions of bleach. I still have some brassy yellow undertones by the root area. Some of the original platinum blonde that was left did fall off, which was expected. But I'm gonna go in and tone with some Color Charm, some Wella T18, and I'm gonna use some 10 developer. I used to use 20. I might put a little dash of 20 in there, but it's mostly gonna be 10 developer. Cause this shit, the toner does burn, and I'm not gonna keep it on there too long. So let's see if it can help this out. If not, later in the week, I might, or tomorrow, may dye my hair again. Bleach my hair again. I know it sounds crazy, but T18, Color Charm. I usually measure. I don't know if it's a tablespoon, a teaspoon. I should check, but so we're gonna do 10 developer. I gotta move quick because I don't want my hair to turn purple. This back. Let me go and wash this out. My hair's probably gonna be purple. Okay. So this is how it is after toning. I feel like I've had it more platinum than this. I still see it a little yellow by the roots, but it is what it is. I'll see how I feel this week if I want to dye it again, but we're good with this. So now, Keratin 2-minute treatment by Effigy. And let this sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. When it comes to like treatments, I'm a little heavy-handed. All right, let this sit in my head for about 2 to 5 minutes. I washed out the treatment in my hair. I'm going in with the Kinks Coils leave-in conditioner spray. It smells amazing. And I like how it moisturized my hair, especially after all this bleach. Put a decent amount in there. I have to reorder some K18 drops. I don't have that to put in my hair right now, but I would highly recommend it. Foam styler. I feel like I haven't waved my hair in a minute, but we about to see. Part of me wishes I did cut my hair a little bit because it is the summer and it is hot and my hair curls up. I'm gonna see how I feel over these next few days before I go out of town. But if I'm not really happy with it, I will cut my hair and I will re-dye it again. That's just how it goes, you know? Yeah, it's sensitive because if you see right here, I'm bleeding. Like I said, this is the risk that I take. So yeah, that's blood right there. It's cool. It's happened to me before. It usually happens in that spot too. That's the craziest part. All right, I haven't done this in a minute, so let's see if I wanna. I honestly don't even know why I've been wanting to grow my hair out because now I'm remembering like how much it was to like try to style it and do these waves. It's just because I don't want to say lazy, but I really got used to just getting up and going with my hair and just doing my waves and brushing it. So that's why I said I'm gonna see how this goes and go from there. This is the best that I could do. I'm gonna go cut the remaining parts off, let this sit until my hair is dry, and then I'll be back to show you the final look and we'll see what I'm gonna do from there. I let my hair air dry. I did not sit underneath the dryer. Okay, so you know, it is a little bit more on the goldenish side, more yellowy, but I'm not mad at it. I usually like to be a little bit more platinum than this, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how I feel. I might re-dye it, I may not, but for now, I like it. This is how I typically bleach my hair. I use Kinks and Coils. And I don't know, this is the outcome and I like it for me growing my hair out. It's pretty cool. It's nice. It's not exactly platinum, like I say, like extremely platinum. It's more on the just regular light blonde side, but I'm not mad at it. If you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave me some feedback in the comments. Do you do your hair at home? Are you a bald baddie? Are you trying to try color? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.